Have you ever thought digital marketing was just posting memes and hoping for likes? Well, same. Until I started this course. Now I know it's more than hashtag and vibes. Let me show you what I learned and what no one tells. First of all, I enrolled in the Fundamental of Digital Marketing course by Google. And guess what? It's totally free, beginner friendly, and doesn't talk to you like you are confused potato. Though I was at first. What is digital marketing? Let's start with the basic. Digital marketing is all about reaching people online through website, social media, email, search engine, you name it. From the course, I have learned that every online interaction, whether someone Googles your name, visit your website or click your ad, is a part of digital strategy. So instead of shouting into the void, you are building a system that attracts the right people to the right place. Simple but powerful. Why should you learn digital marketing? Look, the world is online now. Whether you want to start your brand, get freelance client, or grow any kind of business, digital marketing is the bridge between what you offer and the people who need it. No degree, no problem. This is skill based. You can learn, practice and earn all from your laptop or PC. That's the power of it. How AI can help you. Now here's where things get exciting. AI is changing the game. From writing caption to analyzing customer behavior and automating your content. AI tool can save your time, boost your creativity and complete you even if you are starting out. So no, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to support your creativity and digital marketing smarter. This is the first step. Next, I will dive deeper into each module and break it down all for you. So if you are serious about building something online, stick with me. We are learning this step by step together. Subscribe or follow to stay updated. Listen to Drop Zone. And hey, if I can start from zero, so you can.